Hi everybody and welcome to my pop-up video. So today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So this board here, I had John Miranda did a great video yesterday. There were a few things left from that video that I left on the board just because they didn't do descriptions, so I figured I'd leave those items on the boards and then do a few descriptions on those. And then I put in a bunch of new stuff. So it's kind of a mix here. Now, after this one, John is going to do the red board. I'm going to have him do the red board. So if you have any questions on specific items, you can always reach out. Okay, so let's get started. First to claim it gets it. That's the rules of the pop-up show. Let's start with number 200. These are wooden pendants, and they are $3. 201 is a red jasper faceted bead strand. It's $6. 202 is buffalo bone. This is $4. 203 is a beautiful marble, and this is $6. 203, 204 are these beautiful faceted pieces. These are glass, $6. These are also marble, nice gray tones, $6. 206, these are wood. 206, $6, and then this is a gorgeous piece. This is a glass piece in the middle with pretty setting. This one is $4. There's a little mix here. There's a couple of bamboo, and the other ones I think are all wood. $6. And then 209 is glass, $4. 210 also glass. These are tube beads. They're like a smoky quartz color. $6. 211, these are shell, $8. Okay, these are all vintage glass. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. 223, I do have more than one of these. These are all vintage glass. These are faceted on both sides, it looks like. So they call this a coral color, and this one's $8. 223, there's a bunch in that one. I found some more of these turquoise colored pendants with the three little drop downs. So they're ready to go pendants, just add a little flair to them. $12 each. I do have more than one of those. 222, and then I have white vintage glass, and this is the same size as 223, but these are smooth on one side, and then they have a point on the other side. $6. 221, and then 220. I also have more than one, and these are gorgeous. They have the gold foil on the back, and then the clear quartz color. These are again vintage glass. $8 for pack 220, and then the blue, beautiful oval. $8. 219. This one here is stone. $5. This is a copper coated chain. They're all like extended, like 3 inches. So, and they're all a little bit different from each other. So $6. And this is all shell. 216. A bunch of different ones. $8. This is a metal bead lot. Some nice, good quality ones. And that is $10. There's quite a few in there. 214. This is metal earrings. Yes. $3. Kind of like a starfish shape. 215. More vintage glass. Very dark red with the gold foil on the back. That's really pretty. $8. Some more stone. These ones here. I think these are the same as 218. They are. Okay, I'm going to put this on 218. So I have 2 of those on 218. And let me pause and I'll get a new thing. Okay, new number 212. I have these glue-ons. This glue onto a piece that turns it right into a pendant. Super easy to use, and there's a bunch in there. These are $10, and those are metal. All right, down a row, 224. Made to look like a cat's eye. They're acrylics, $4. They have that cat's eye to them, though. 225. A bunch of different O-rings. Silver colored, $3, quite a few in there. This is a strand with glass beads, pearl glass beads, and that's a nice long strand. $5 for that one. They're all pre-knotted in the middle too. 219, same thing, different color, different size. No, same size, sorry. Different color, $4. 228, these are glass. These are gorgeous. There's silver on the inside, and then there's a little bit of pink, like a pink rose right there. $6. There's 4 pieces in each one. I have 2 of them. 229. This one has a missing stone in the middle. It's a little cross. Just one missing stone though. It's a gorgeous one. Very pretty. $3. 230. This is metal. metal rounds, $3. And this is a chain on 231, $1. 232. These are all metal. This is the back and then the front there. $8. 232. 233. These are heavy. Wow. I think these are glass. Maybe they're hematite. $4. 234. These are earring findings. $2. And then 235 is stone. It's a stone strand. It looks like the jasper. I'm not sure what kind of jasper. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of stone that is, but pretty nice big one. $6. Okay, and then I do have some bamboo, different colors of bamboo. We had a blue one on the yellow board. This is just a darker blue, so a different shade of blue. Bamboo beads, $6, 247, and then the dark green. It's all real natural bamboo, $6, and then this is a natural bamboo color, 245, $6. 244, these are stone, these are marble. Really pretty. They kind of look like a zebra jasper, like a black zebra jasper. All right, 243, $5, these little charms. They have different words on them. Here, dream. It's the back. Looks like a little. I see many things in that. I see a couple of fairies. All right, 243, $5 for those. This is glass, pretty blue. Blue glass, $6. I have two. This is also glass. This is a beautiful gray cat's eye glass. It's got that beautiful cat's eye flash. $8 for those. I got two of them. This is jade, 240. $6. These little hands, these are super cute. All different colors. Put a little bead in the middle too, which would be nice. $4, 239. This is marble as well. This is the same that we had earlier that looks like a zebra jasper, like a black zebra jasper. I only have one of that shape, but then I have this. I have two of these. Those are $6 each. See, look at the beautiful striping there. I have two of those. That one has beautiful striping too. $6 each. And then the last of these beautiful marble pieces. What is orange? It's weird. How did that end up in there? It's like a random orange one in there. I don't think that's marble. But anyway, 236, $6. One of these things is not like the other, right? Okay, well, watch for the next video. That's going to be our third video for today. That'll be John's debut. So definitely check that out. And I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.